Halo teman-teman, sebelum nonton jangan lupa dikasih like dulu. Jika tombol subscribe-nya masih berwarna merah, tandanya kalian belum subscribe. Ayolah subscribe lah teman-teman. Masa kalian aja mau subscribe? Ya, kamu. Siapa lagi kalau bukan selain kamu? Oke, supaya saya lebih semangat untuk membuat video-video ini. Oke, terima kasih teman-teman. Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi kepada aku Bagus MW. Kalian kita memakai kapal Amerika atau apa namanya saya lupa, pokoknya ini kita pakai aja. Helikopter kok T2. Nah, tunggu dulu ya, saya cek dulu helinya nih. Ternyata mesinnya hanya 2. Kita langsung saja nih kita beli heli apa ya, ya ampun mahal sekali. Oh siap, wih siap. Kita langsung saja. Langsung saja kita mulai. Kita langsung pencet mulai.
All hands prepare for battle. The engine's on bridge control.
Oke, langsung kita mulai saja nih. Oke, kita akan apa nih, berapa apa.
Battle station. This is not a drill. Enemy missile number 1 destroyed. Okay to track enemy targets. Destroy the missile. AA division, destroy the missile. Enemy missile number 1 destroyed. We have damage
Oh, ternyata dibantu guys.
We have damage above the waterline. Sir, a group of aerial targets heading our way. Sir, target on bearing 325, distance 5 kilometers, moving at 18 knots. AA division, destroy the missile. We have damage above the waterline.
Oh, kalah teman-teman. Ternyata kalah kita ya teman-teman ya. Kita main lagi.
at 15 knots. Stop engine.
Aku malas bebas meluncurkan heliku.
Helicopter in line up. Battle stations. This is not a drill. A division, destroy the missile. Division, destroy the missile. We have damage above the waterline. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340. AA division, destroy the missile. We have damage above the waterline. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340. Sir, a group of inbound aerial targets detected. Go on. The missile is away. Bull rocket launcher, stand by.
Oh ternyata kita apa itu?
Sir, a group of aerial targets heading our way. Stand by both engines. The missile is away. Half ahead. Bull rocket launcher, stand by. Bull rocket launcher, stand by. Maintain a heading at 093 at 15 knots. The missile is away. We have damage above the waterline. We have damage above the waterline.
Oh ternyata kita telah kayak apa nih? Rudal, gak kena.
Launch jam.
Jurus. Ya, melihat rudal yang sangat
Artillery standing by. Bull rocket launcher, stand by. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340.
kita kalah guys. Kita mulai lagi. Kita map ini lagi, kita tidak mau menyerah. Ada Storm. Tumben Storm ada.
All hands stand by. Launch chaff. General quarters. All hands man your battle stations. Missiles ready for launch, sir. Division, destroy the missile. We have damage above the waterline. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340. All rocket launchers stand by. Destroy the missile. We have damage above the waterline. Damage above the waterline. Damage above the waterline. All rocket launchers stand by. Damage above the waterline. Launch attack. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340. Missile ready to launch, sir. Missile launch detected. Headed our way. Bearing 340.
Yo, kalah. Oke teman-teman, sampai di sini saja. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe-nya ya teman-teman, supaya saya lebih semangat untuk membuat video-video ini. Walaupun kita kalah, tapi saya bakalan mengupgrade-nya lagi. Oke, terima kasih teman-teman.